Afternoon students, we were doing steps which are there for successful presentation. In that, up to fifth topic we were done with fifth step we have done. Now sixth step for a successful presentation is audio visual tools of presentation. Audio visual tools of presentations help you to reach your objectives by providing emphasis to whatever is being said. Clear pictures multiply the audience level of understanding of the material presented, and they should be used to reinforce your message. So audiovisual tools for presentations are the most important and the prominent one in today's time for the companies, for the business organizations to reinforce their message, to convey their message, to position their products. Everything can be done through an audio visual tools of presentations. Through that, the topic, the presentations will be cleared. So audio visual aids are of different types. When we say audio aids, they are radio, tape recorder, gramophone, linguophone, audio cassette player, etc. So audio aids are those aids through which we can hear the sounds, we can hear the audio clip, we cannot see. So audio aids are the important medium through which we can better make our presentation more understanding, more reliable and more easy to understand. Right, so that is the logic of using radio, tape recorders. They are the audio aids. Visual aids, for example, whiteboard, chart, pictures, model, slide, projector, transparency, flashcards, handout, etc. are visual aids. Visual aids are generally those aids which are being used for the purpose of visualizing, seeing. Right? We can see any picture but we cannot hear. Right? Because it is a photograph. Same way, we can hear the sound of an audio clip but we cannot see because it is audio clip. So audio aids are those aids which we can hear. Visual aids are those aids which we can see. Now the third type of tools, audio visual tools are LCD projector, TV, computer, interactive, whiteboard, multimedia, etc. So audio visual means through which we can see and we can hear. TV, we can watch different movies. Mobile phone, we can watch different videos. We can hear the music. It is audio plus both audio visual tools are there, aids are there. Now important point lies when to use visual aids. So visual aids should be used when you have a numerical data. Right? So in case of a numerical data diagram, this visual aid should be used to make your presentation more meaningful, more understanding and more valuable. Right? So important thing here lies is what is the credibility of your presentation, what is the topic of your presentations, what you want to convey, what's your message behind your presentations. That should be cleared well. Right? So in any kinds of presentations, if these points are remembered, your presentations will be outstanding. So it happens when you will use visual aids, when you will use audio aid, that depends upon your requirement. Present topics related to art, design or any subject that is visual in nature. So any subject which is either be understood through photographs, so visual aids should be used at that particular stage. Present comparative assessment. Visual presentation comparison always helps comprehension. For instance, if the presenter wants to demonstrate the comparison of two structures, the point of comparison can be approached when shown rather than described. So it is when you want to compare two companies, that can only be done through visual, right? For example, if I want to compare two industry, Reliance and Tata, then I may compare through graphs, diagrams, different charts. So that is very important point. Present new interpretation of old data. If the speaker has discovered or noticed something new as a fresh interpretation of an existing phenomenon, showing it makes the information look more concrete, right? So what is, or when the visual aids should be used? Visual aids, as we all know, it means they are those tools of presentation through which we can visualize better, we can see better, we can understand better. So important thing here is when you can use an visual presentation, when a topic is diagrammatic, or topic can be well understood through charts, through diagrams, when you make comparison between two companies, when you make comparison between two governments, two states, two different places, at that particular instant of time, it is better understood when you convey through diagrams. So you can understand what is the logic behind using a visual aid. Visual aid is not used all of the sudden as per our like or dislike, but when it is required, when you want to make your presentation better, understanding, right, valuable, then this is what the system you can apply, right? And how you can use visual aid. Here are some guidelines regarding how to use visual aids. One should not use too many images, as this will lessen their impact, right? So neither more visual graphs, extra graphs should be used, charts should be used in your presentations, that may ruin your presentation, right? May be boring to the audience. So your presentation should not be boring. It should contain only those charts or the graphs or diagram which is required, right? You should not put extra graphs or diagrams in your presentations. So how to use visual aids? It should be used in a proper proportion. Speaker should plan the graphics according to the main points and make one graphic for each point. So example is, our presentation topic contains 10 points. So when our presentation topic contains 10 points, then at that particular stage of time, we can have 10 different points table, right? Visual diagrams. So it is best to use bold, clear letters that can be seen from the other end of the room, right? So when to use visual aid? When it is required. Integrate the aid with the oral presentation and use it when you reach the relevant point. Then designing and presenting visual aids. How you should design visual aids and present visual aids. Two types of visual aids are used to supplement speeches and presentations. Text visual consists of words and help the audience follow the flow of ideas. So one method is through text visuals. Because of text visuals are simplified outlines of your presentation, you can use them to summarize and preview the message and to signal major shift in thoughts. So two types of visual aids may be done: text visual, then another is graphic visual, right? So two types of aids are there. Now we will take that which are different audio visual tools of presentation. So there are variety of media to choose from. So select those that are the best suited to your speaking occasion. So we can say that there are a lot of different types or method through which presentation can be, audio visual tools can be used, but you should be used in a proper proportion. First one is handout. handout is the summary of key points of your presentation. Handout allow you to provide more detailed informations than you put on a slide. So handout is the printout form of presentation. They give your audience something to take away from your presentation, right? They can review later. So handout are especially useful if your presentation is highly technical or complex. They can further explain important informations. So you may choose to distribute sheets of paper bearing an agenda and outline. So handouts are the generally those printed form of your slides, that is a summary of your presentation. So that might be given.